Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our fourth question. What is there asking? Here, length of the shadow of 15-meter high pole is 5 root 3 meters. So length of the shadow means shadow will be, we know that it is lying on a earth or floor. So this is 5 root 3 meters from the length. What is the height of the pole? 15 meters, and this one. Then what they are asking at the 7 o'clock morning AM. So what they are asking is, what is the angle of elevation the sun rays making at the pole? So angle of elevation, so this is horizontal line. Angle of elevation, as I told, it should be above the horizontal line. What is the angle of elevation sun rays making at the earth's surface? So let's going to write what are the things here. Height of the pole. So what are the given conditions? Height of the pole will be equal to 15 meters. So that is AB will be equal to 15 meters. Then what is the length of the shadow? So length of the shadow will be equal to 5 root 3 meters. Length of the shadow will be 5 root 3 meters. Then we have to let angle of elevation, what is that? Angle of elevation of sun rays at the earth surface, at the bottom, whatever it is, that is angle C will be equal to theta. So we have to find this angle. What is the sun rays making? Theta. So that one we consider theta. Then we have to find this one. So as we know that, what is this case? So this one is opposite side is there and adjacent side is there. So we have to treat trigonometric ratio as tan theta only. So why? Because here opposite. For this theta, this is 90 degree. So angle A will be equal to 90 degrees. So for this, one angle is there. Let's going to consider tan theta. Tan theta will be equal to, what is that? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the opposite side here? In triangle, let's go into triangle ABC. C is the angle. So opposite side is AB. Then adjacent side is AC. So tan theta will be equal to, keep it tan theta as it is. So tan theta. Then what is this? Here we will get it as AB is nothing but 15. Then AC is nothing but 5 root 3. Then what is this? So let's going to take 5 by root 13. So let's take it tan theta as it is. So 5 ones are, then 5 threes are. So 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3. We can write 3 by root 3. Root 3 into root 3. Can you write it like this or not? So anyway, we will get root 3 whole square, and square root will going to cancel. Then we will get the 3 only. Yes? Yes. So here root 3 into, so here cancel by root 3. So root 3 will going to cancel. Then what is the value here? Tan theta will be equal to root 3. So tan theta will be equal to root 3. So by which angle we will get tan theta as a root 3? It's obviously tan 60 degrees will be equal to root 3. So then theta will be equal to 60 degrees. So what is the angle of elevation in theta degree? So or otherwise you can take, so theta will be equal to tan inverse of root 3. Then tan inverse of root 3 is 60 degrees. So this is the case, tan inverse of root 3, or either you can calculate by using of this. So therefore angle of elevation theta, that is angle C will be equal to theta will be equal to 60 degrees. So this is the case. Like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members.